What's going on, everybody? Biker Dave here. I'm going to tell you just a little brief information on how to find out how old tires are. Not only, it can be a hazard, it can be a structural hazard if tires are really old, like if they start cracking and dry rotting, as you see, along through this particular one. Even though these tires came from a running and driving car, but still, if you want to really get specific about it, look for the DOT number along the edge of the tire. See this right through here? That number with a circle around it, 5011. That means these were made in the 50th week of the year in 2011. So you can also look up, the other info if you want to Google maybe the manufacturer specific information. But these numbers right around the DOT number can give you more information. Anyway, I just wanted to throw that at you guys real quick. A lot of people don't realize that that there is this specific info on tires. But anyway, that's it. So check out our channel. We got all kinds of other cool stuff that may help you working on cars, motorcycles, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, Harley Davidsons, classic cars, newer cars, motocross bikes, all kinds of stuff. So just scan through our channel and wait for the thumbnail links to pop up at the end of this video. They'll guide you in different areas of this channel that might help you in the future. And we got tons of links in the description of this video that might benefit you as well. You'll have a great day. We'll see you later.